Good morning. I'm Roger Woodruff with Guarantee in beautiful McMinnville, Oregon today. We're doing a great show out here at the Aerospace Museum. And today we're going to look at a 2016 3922 Newmar Canyon Star. Great built coach. It's very unique and different than most RVs. I'm going to love showing you this one. We've got the side cameras. We've got the push button electric awning, full body paint, outside TV, but what makes this coach super unique is back here for the sporting enthusiast. Some of the bikes today are very expensive and you want to keep them secure. This is a great place to keep them secure and put your gear up in here, go out, have some great fun. Big door that's wider than most. It's a full body paint coach. Let's go inside and take a quick look. Oh, look at this storage. My God, some great storage in here. That's just a little bit of the storage. It's really hot today, so we're gonna go kind of quick. It's got the legendary Newmar build. They're the first company really to do a motorhome slide out, and they got it right. They've got 3-inch thick walls. A beautiful layout, all flex steel furniture. Look at that countertop. It's got the convection microwave. It's got the beautiful big fridge with ice and water in the door. Big inverter. Corner shower. A lot of storage for your kitchen goodies and your house goodies. You can get someplace and you really get comfortable. Well-built, solid unit. Nice bedroom. We've got a good closet here, so the spouse can put their clothes in here, and then somebody can still have a little bit of a closet, you know. Just the storage just goes on and on and on. Real quick overview of the 3922 from 2016 Newmar Canyon Star with a great little garage. I'm Roger with Guarantee. Thank you.